Anyone fancy a quickie? Okay, so I had a request from a chap, Digimon Dude 420, asking how the Micromodular is set up. So I've made a quick little video to show you the setup procedure. You will need a MIDI interface cable, USB, so that you can actually talk to the computer. When the Micromodular was made, there was no USB stuff, so everything was done through MIDI. If you look at the back of the Micromodular, there are 4 ports that appear to be MIDI ports. They look like MIDI ports, but 2 of them are used to put information in and out from the computer. And that is what you need the MIDI lead for. Plug in one end into your computer, and the other ends into the Micromodular, making sure that the MIDI in from your computer goes to the PC out on the Micromodular, and the out, MIDI out from your PC goes to the PC in. It seems counterintuitive, but that's the way it works. Once you've set that up, you then need to open your software program, the Modular editor, and then go to the settings and make sure that you choose the right MIDI interface. So the MIDI interface that you've got plugged into your Nord Modular. I only have one MIDI interface on my laptop. That's the one that I plugged in. So that's the one I select. Once you've done that, you will see the patch appear on the editor and you're ready to do some programming. Now, if you want to plug in to an external keyboard, and I tend to use the tracks to control the Micromodular, you then need to plug to the out from your controller. So if that's a keyboard, the MIDI out from your keyboard. And plug that to the MIDI in on the Nord Micromodular. And you can keep all of these 3 ports plugged in at the same time. So you can have it plugged into a computer to program using the MIDI, the PC in and the PC out. And you can have it plugged into a controller on the MIDI in, and that's all there is to it. On the tracks, I tend to plug the audio out, which is the out 1, and you can select which audio output in the software, but I usually use the device in mono and select it on out 1, and then plug that into the tracks because it's got an internal mixer. I hope that makes sense. If it's helped you, thumbs up, all the rest of it, and subscribe. And if you've got any questions, definitely ask in the comments. Always happy to help out if I can. Thanks very much. Bye.